It's our one. Mmm. Soup tastes good. Mm-mm. Greetings, each and everyone. So today we just cook up. Oh, yeah, cook up some. So, so we are cook pea soup with some chicken foot and thing and thing. We put them on the fire ready. Yeah, so yeah, just stay tuned and watch what I go and peeps. You don't know when pot ready. Don't know, so we are going to belly. Alright, so we are about to light up the fire. Alright, yeah man, so Ricky about to light up the fire now. Yeah. I get piece of plastic. I light up the fire, you know. River look good, yeah man. Heavy. Fire light up, you know. Just drop that in there so I'm putting some chips. Alright, so I make some chips. Come on. Make some chips to go on the fire. Fire get active up and thing. We were clean and pretty. Well, it's not that clean still in a but it clean pan a decent level. Team active. And so where there's smoke, there's fire. Alright, so right about now we are cleaning up the pumpkin. Yeah man, I get the pumpkin cleaned. Clean up the pumpkin and then cut it up because you don't know so your soup after having pumpkin. You want the pumpkin get there. Nice taste too, you know. Don't know when them are outside. Pumpkin yellow and pretty. Yeah man, all of that. A piece of your cut you use. Man, take a seat. Man, take a seat, you know. Yeah. So pumpkin I get cut up and thing. Where's your going, Ricky?
Like how they on the riverside, I cook you now. Fire, ketchup, pot there's some season over there, so that are going over there, so. A man should have meanwhile have.
A true line.
Yeah. A true line. See if we can catch some little spread. You see me?
Yeah.
Catch a spread. No, we could cook it like it last time. Like bamboo, that different style. I would have find something, you know.
Yeah.
Jack of all trades find something, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Zoom in back for the pumpkin I cut up. Alright, so pumpkin na dice up. Now we calabash dish. Yeah. Pumpkin looking good. Pretty yellow and pretty. Yeah, so we got to work. Cut up a pumpkin nice and easy. Right by the riverside. Yeah. River looking nice and pretty. Sky look pretty as well. Yeah. Alright, Rudy, I clean up peas. Yeah, take out the bad breed one them. Yeah, you don't know. Peas are going in a pot, you know. Take out the bad one them. Mm-hmm. Alright, chicken foot over here, so I cut up now. So, chicken foot I cut up now. Put it on the cutting board. Alright, chicken foot I cut up. Youths, I'm outside doing it. Yeah, man. This is a learning process for each and every one of us also. Active outside. Don't know, I have to clean up the chicken foot. Cut off the two of them and give it a one cut. And take out all of them leftovers there. Mm-hmm. All of them things were left on the chicken foot. I have to clean them up properly and get off the two of them. Mm-hmm. That's how we clean up so far. Alright, back on the board again. Come on. So Ricky find out so we have a next bag of peas, so him just wash this. I set of peas and clean it up. That look no for the first one. Alright, here's a peas wash. Alright, so Ricky about to put in the peas in the pot. Yeah, put in the peas in the pot. Yeah, the peas gone in the pot now. Yeah. We're about to get the seasoning ready for the soup. So we got with scallion, we got okra, we got with carrot. So left hand man, aka, let me name again, aka the one Romian. Yeah man, I get himself active in our kitchen today. Get his carrot scrape and then we cut it up. Mm. No. Alright, so the second one this. Come on, must get the second one scrape. Mm. One more to go. Mm. Alright. So the last one now. Yeah man. Last one I get scrape. And then don't know it. On the cutting board them I go. I cut them up nice and easier. Mm. Alright, so we're about to clean up the scallion. First I get all of them clean up and then just cut them up. Mm. Get the scallion cleaned. Mm. And just like that. Alright. Youths them down there so say them a try catch Janga. Younger them say them a try catch, you know. Look on them boy, them a try catch younger. Up on them boy, them a try catch younger. The fun man a work. Mm-hmm. Alright, so you get the okra them clean. Just cut off the top and the bottom. Yeah, just like that. Mm-hmm. Alright, everything ready for your cutting board. Just wash off a little side of the stone and put them on the stone. And then you just cut them up in a sequence and then get them in a calabash dish. Get the a calabash dish. So you want to start off with the okra. You may actually start cut it already. So once I get them cut up nice and easy. Mm-hmm. Get everything ready. Go in the pot. Okra them cut up. Mm-hmm. The first one, get it in the bowl. Alright. On to the second one now. Second one. Just like that. Mm-hmm. Alright. So carrot them get cut up now. Hold on, me I say. Mm-hmm. Alright. First one. Yeah, just get them in. The road they are checking for the pot now. These are bubble up one thing. Alright, so it's about time for knead up the flour. So them are getting man washed. Yeah man. Man knead up the flour, you know we don't know say some caramel dumpling we are gonna make. So going on the soup pot. Yeah, so I throw out the flour, you know. We just have the yam there, the piece of yam there so for now. Yeah, cause I go peel the yam there forget in the pot to in a yellow yam that. Alright, so I'm gonna get in some caramel. Come on, I'll pull the caramel and get it in the flour. Yep. Alright, so caramel are going here now. Then I'm gonna get in little salt. You man see my measure it out in the cart there. Put in that. I'm gonna tell him saying can put little more. So I'm gonna put in little more you know. Alright, so I get the water. Mix up the flour you know. Yeah man. Just mix it in, nice and easy. Yeah, man. Mm. So I get the water, mix up the flour, you know. Yeah, man. Just mix it in, nice and easy. Yeah, man. Mm. Alright, so flour I need up, you know. Don't know the use them outside. Catch them kitchen practice. Yeah, man. That mean to say, when they're in their home, them can cook for their mother and them father as well. Yeah. Just hope they not tell them, say, them not do it. And them will say they lazy out, you know. Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're about to get in the chicken foot now. Yeah, man. Get in the chicken foot. Up next, the pumpkin. Pumpkin. Alright. Yeah. Just wait a while and then we put in the others are season them. But for now, little rain a Joe down, but we are make it up the same way. Rain a drop now. Yeah, so we get a piece of zinc over our pot. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, so soon check in back. Soon check in back for it. Rain a Joe. Alright, so right about now we don't have no coconut, you know, so we have to work with the we have to work with that grace coconut powder. Mm-hmm. I just mix it up in the water. Yeah, man, mix it up in a little water and get it in the pot. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Just use a spoon. Spoon up there, so not. Alright, so really just get the spoon wash. Yeah. Just mix it out. And man, if I get heavy I like it one take in way, but not take in, you know. So you take some sprat out the river. Yeah, we soon take them out, man. Alright. Done. So get it in the pot. Yeah, man. Stir it up, pot look good. The peas make the chicken put them red and pretty. Mm, looking good. You can check in for the peas. Peas them cook. Alright.
So now, let's make it go and cook. You see me?
Alright, so Ricky is about to get in the dumplings. We couldn't make them or make the dumpling them because them or can't make the dumpling them good. And we have people who want dumpling. So I'm gonna make the spinners them first. Yeah man. Yeah. Spinners them. Mm-hmm.
So I'm picking up the rubber mask later. Oh, the friends will take care of it. Ah, okay.
Alright, so the flour them I make now. Ricky remember you know, to make enough dumpling.
Eh?
Make enough dumpling them say. You know, see rain a fall. Enough dumpling say. Yeah, make them small, some big, some small. More peanuts I make. Yeah, I make more peanuts.
But me alone, I'll be a peanut doing this, you know.
Ricky love make spinach, you know. I love make peanuts, so I want to have a big piece of dough in a dish and I make peanuts. See over here. Oh, if I make a one dumpling now. Trick me with that one, them I think a peanuts is that one. Your dumplings still are going in a pot, you know. Mm-hmm. I say eat. Eat. I catch you on the road.
Don't touch my finger and don't and some make them
Ah.
and like some
Chef,
people
I'm father, you know, so he must got it like that, you know.
all some finger there. All the game now.
Well, I'm gonna look some worm because we are gonna catch some swim around, yeah. I catch some sprats, so Rummy and gone for get some worm in the meantime, between time.
One.
Fata, Fata, Rummy need company. God. So Rummy know what to go on, man. I got a back if you put them in. At least you know a little something. You know a little something. Ricky start make peanuts again. There's a peanuts. Hey, mosquito bite me up now, you know. The little rain will start fall, it send out the mosquito them far away. Mm-mm. Stir up the pot, Rudy. Stir up the pot. Stir it up.
Something cook.
Pot smell good.
That's another thing.
You season them. Yeah, me. Alright, so we are getting a one cup soup. Mm-hmm. A one cup soup in a pot. I don't know. Hey, right now, mosquito tear me. Yeah, so we put in our one noodle. So we are get a stir. Our next one to go in, but unfortunately, I left it in my car, so I get feed. I get in our next noodle. Yeah, man, this are the pumpkin mix. Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright, stir it up now. Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're about to peel the yellow yam. Don't know. Soup can't nice without a piece of yellow yam in it, you know. Mm-hmm. We yam peel and then we cut it up. Mm-hmm. River get a little bit dirty, you know. Mm-hmm. Rice them up, you know. So we are getting the seasoning. Come on. Seasoning I'm getting a pot now. Alright, getting the yellow yams. Eat a little stir first. The pepper them gone into, you know, yeah, man. One green one and a ripe one. Come on, yam in a pot now. Soup pot look good. Yeah, Rody, stir it up. Pot look good. I get in a few pimento again. Wash them off first. Nah, I get you. I want to get worm. Let them see them get worms. Worms. Yeah, we are show line now. Yeah, man, Rody, line up the line. See what we can catch in the water. Rody, I see a flower for use to, you know, you think you want Rody easy. And I use flower for your bait to, you know. Try something. Alright. Mm-hmm. Try a thing, yes, nothing try, nothing done. Launch out. Alright, so Rudy, I will line in the water, you know. I try a thing with the flour. Flour come back in, go out the work, you know. Nothing yet. Flour now gone with nothing, you know, so I put a worm, you know. I'm going to put a worm for it, the flour now gone with nothing. Alright, I want to pick off the flour. Alright, Rudy. Launch out to the worm, you know. I go on with the soup? So pretty.
Come on.
Watch it. No, sir. But pretty above love, you know. Take a look in my butt. Take a look in my butt. Yeah. Smell good. Yo. I can't wait. I can't wait. No, sir. I can't wait, may I tell you. I can't wait for the Portland. Soon, you know. No, sir. Good food. Woo. Can't wait, I swear. Don't know. We just get. Alright, so we just get like maybe one next 5 more minutes. And then this will come off of pot fire. Cause I tell you, yo, ready for your food. Food look good. Hold on. What is cooking? What is cooking? No, sir. I want small list. Woo! This guy is a young one. No, man. Capture that boy, waga, man. I'll let him go back. Small. Small as. Yeah. Let him go back now, youth. You could have used him as bait, you know. Take him off, I like. Full of slime. I know, they can't take you one piece of heel off of the line. You know, come off yet. You know, take him off yet. I give so much trouble. I put him on fire. Yeah, man. Right, that's it there. Careful, I'm on the hook, you know. Yeah, get him off it. Finally, he cut you? You broke. You broke. Jaja, I broke you, man. Jaja. I broke you. Broke the hook. Let him go back in the water, yeah, man. Yeah, so we about to take the pot off the fire, you know. Man, we take it off the fire. Just stir it up and thing first. And then we take it off. Come on, right off the fire it come now. Stir it up. Get it off the fire. Get the pot off the fire. Come on, get it right here. So, right, so we have to stay and share. Alright, this one. Yeah, you look good this one. Alright, so dish them wash now. Ready to go. I share out the food here now. Calabash bowl outside. Mm-hmm. Always as a chef, or if you are share food, share your food first. Yeah. Away am them they know. I peas them there too. Yeah, but the food I share last now. So this look like me for now. Yeah. Alright. Who for one this now? What carry man? Alright. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Plus I share out food. Alright? And this have to roll the one. How much dumpling one?
Two of that and enough peanuts.
Two of that and no peanuts.
Peanuts. And the peas more, enough peas long plate.
You want to get no peas in them, man. Yeah, I dig them up.
Yeah, man, I eat that.
I eat that. Alright? Roll that. This is how I go on. Mmm. Soup tastes good. Mmm. Mmm. Chicken pan the peanuts. Mmm. Soup hot. Soup hot. Yum. Food nice and you don't know what up on the riverside. Mmm. Oh. I just go over. I go on some food. Go on some my food. One ramen, left one. With the left one. Them are. Mm. One roadie fresh now. Chicken ice soup. Where's it? Mm. Mm. Team active out on the riverside. Check in for the big dumpling. Man, I use fork. Man, them I use fork. Mm. To the food nice, them are circle pot one more time. You don't know the left hand man I wait for going at the pot too, you know. Yeah. Left hand man I wait for circle pot too. Theme time and oh a theme time I know him a check in for the pot. With him left hand. Yeah man, when food nice, you have a circle pot again and again. That is it, people. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to get notified whenever a new video is dropped. Yeah. Alright, the team outside. Yeah, man, then the on the final lap, you know. Ricky circle pot. I never get free video that part when you circle pot, you know. Yeah. Don't worry yourself, man. Food nice. When food nice, you have a circle pot. Any amount. That. Eat that twice. When food nice, you eat that twice. That is it. Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. Right about now, I just want to take this time out to big up Father God. You know what I mean? It's been raining all week. It rained earlier today. And Father God does say, may I ease up the rain and give them a chance. So may I say big respect to you again, Father God. The man for take give me the opportunity so we can make the video. We get the view, we nice view, little rain Jew, and thing, and Father God will love the rain. We don't have nothing against the rain, we love the rain. Yeah man, we love the rain, so we don't curse the rain. We love rain. So enough respect again for easy rain so we can do this. So I just want to say big up to each and everyone. Big up to each and everyone who watch the video until the end. Yeah man, enough respect. To all viewers and subscribers, clear me throat. All viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. All new viewers, you are part of the channel, please check out the channel. Consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah. Look at the view.